Hello, this is Alex the DJ at Placky Bag. I'm about to do the Morpeth annual New Year's Day run, a 6-mile run, which is going to take us all the way around Mistpad and back towards Morpeth Park. So join me on this. I'm wrapped up like it's winter, but actually it's quite warm.
DJ Placky Bag. 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 DJ.
Hello, this is Alex the DJ at Placky Bag. I have just completed the Morpeth. I've been beaten by my wonderful family. Hi, John. Yeah. Hello. That was quite a good run.
Yeah.
It was hilly. I think I've put on an extra stone.
Right.
But that was one of the best runs I've done. I really enjoyed that. Yes, we'll go to Wetherspoons for a cup of coffee.
Oh, Dad, you've got to see this.
Well, thank you for joining me. This was hosted by Morpeth Harriers. I think it cost me £10 to register on the day. I hope to see you again next year. Don't forget to join me throughout the year for other runs and subscribe if you want to be notified about other runs that I'm doing. Have a look at them. Cool. My name's Alex the DJ Placky Bag. Ta-da.